back to Katie's Empire, and we got another interesting video today for you guys to check out. So today's video is going to be about a man that goes off on his wife for not paying the mortgage. Let's get into the video.
See, this is what I'm talking about. Why is it when I come home, I see an eviction notice on the front door? And look at my wife. Just in there acting like I'm home. Casually just packing stuff up while we getting put out. You mind telling me what happened?
Yes. I bought the car sitting outside.
Okay.
I bought myself a Chanel bag.
You bought yourself a Chanel bag, but you didn't pay for the mortgage?
I wanted to do something.
Are you
for
crazy?
myself.
Have you lost your mind? Did you really just sit here and tell me you bought a Chanel bag? Meanwhile, we were 7 months behind all our mortgage.
The lights are still on.
For who? Not for us. The next person that's gonna live in this house? That doesn't serve us any good.
You watch TV, there's a remote. You still got
Where am I gonna watch TV at? Outside? On the street?
Look.
You really sit here and act like ain't nothing going wrong and it's not a big deal, and we're literally getting put out of our house. Do you forget how hard we worked for this house? I saved for years to put even a down payment on this house. I trusted you with my money.
I bought you something.
I don't care about that. Take it back. I don't want anything. I want my house. I cannot believe this. And you just acting like ain't nothing wrong right now. Oh my God, like, are you kidding me?
Well, you want to help me?
No, I want my house.
Well, you won't have another house.
Where? Not this one. This is the house that I want.
We both getting put out. So
Yes, we're getting put out because you were irresponsible. I trusted you all this time. And you've been sitting here acting careless, spending money on clothes, bags, and what is all this other stuff? Is that a computer? Like, what is going on?
Yes.
I'm really shocked by how cool and how chill you are about this. We have an eviction notice. We're getting put out. We don't have nowhere to stay. We don't have anywhere to stay right anymore. Help you pack? No. I can't even look at you right now. I don't even know if I want to be with you anymore. Yes.
Then leave.
Yeah, I think I might. Look, oh, really? And then leave.
Go ahead.
So you just don't care about nobody but yourself?
If that's what you think.
Oh my goodness. This is just crazy to me.
Well,
What are you doing?
I'm packing that house. We have to leave by tomorrow.
Wow.
So you might want to start.
And you weren't even gonna say anything.
Well, you were seeing.
I had to come home to an eviction notice. I've been at work all day, and I'm coming home to an eviction notice because my wife is out here spending money on Chanel bags instead of paying the bills like she's supposed to.
Well, let me tell you something.
You don't do anything. You don't have a job. I've been trusting you with my money.
And that's why I have a computer, so I can get a job.
Well, it doesn't matter.
It does matter.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't even matter anymore. You wouldn't have to do that if you were being responsible.
All right, y'all. So y'all know it's a complete different ballpark when you get into this marriage thing, right? Marriage versus just casual dating, messing around or whatever. Those people that are just messing around, I expect them to have these type of problems. But fam, this is your wife. And it sounds like y'all been together for a while. You are 7 months behind your rent, but y'all had enough money to pay the rent, but she spent it on Chanel. This type of behavior just doesn't come from out of nowhere. She's probably had a history of doing things like this, but you chose to ignore for whatever reason. And now this young lady has gotten you into a situation that you cannot get out of. Now you about to take a hit in all kind of doggone ways. Your credit, your money, probably a divorce, like all of those things. That's why you have to be careful about who you marry. You have to make sure that you vet those people correctly. And if this is not somebody that I can honestly see myself with for the rest of my life, being the perfect example, you know, for my children growing up, a great mother to my children, then you need to reconsider before you put a ring on that finger and you walk down the aisle and you say, I do. Honestly, just my personal opinion, I believe it was a big, huge mistake getting married to this young lady Especially you have a grown adult that's carrying on like this. No care in the world, completely selfish, not thinking about anybody but herself. She got herself a car, a Chanel bag, a laptop, and she's like, yo, I'm about to get a job. I don't know what you got going on or whatever. Yeah, we're about to lose the house, but it's all good. We're gonna get another one. Like, these type of people, you need to leave them alone. Selfish people should never be in a relationship. If you want to be selfish, then you need to be single. Selfish people do not belong in a relationship. I don't care what anybody says. You cannot tell me anything different. If you are selfish, then be by your mother flipping self, respectfully. And fam, when you're having a conversation with someone, I understand you're frustrated. You should not allow anybody to get you off your square. No reason to yell or raise your voice. Trust me, fam. You get better results when you just keep it at a 3. All right. Anyway, man, I want to hear from y'all. What do you guys think about this particular video? All right. What would you have done if you were in his shoes? I want to hear it down in the comments. All right. Until the next time, man, y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.